Hey guys, Kyle from InvestiShare here. Just going to go over really quickly what I'm seeing in the charts because there's a lot of stuff that we need to pay attention to right now. So yesterday we were talking about this micro formation inside of the macro formation and how it could potentially give us the momentum we need for a breakout. And we got the break out of the micro formation, and I said I wasn't going to enter a short because we're so close to this level of support right here. So I didn't, and we got the rejection right here. You could have entered a short. There we got support here. You could still stay technically in the short if you're in it, and wait and see if we break below this uptrending level support here. The target of the micro formation is 28,850, but we have an area of interest on the VPVR we need to pay attention to at 29,500, where we basically had this tiny little fake out over here. So if we break to the downside, which we might because the DXY is pumping right now, and let me show you really quick. So we got this uptrending level of, we got a rising wedge formation basically, and they're like about 65% of the time they break to the downside, but this time we broke to the upside. Got a little bit of support off this candle. That acted as a confirmation for everyone to enter into the US dollar, and now we're fighting local resistance. Now if we get rejected here, what will happen is we'll probably most likely get the bounce off this uptrending level support right here. So before entering a long position, if you're trying to do a quick swing trade where you enter here and you close here, enter here, close here, first audit the DXY before entering a trade. Not financial advice, but the Bitcoin trades against the US dollar. So if the US dollar is pumping, Bitcoin's going to go down. If the US dollar is going down, Bitcoin will go up. So pay a lot of attention to this, because if we get a strong rally, we break above this, Bitcoin will have a fairly large drop in parallel with this pump. So hopefully we get rejected here and we can see Bitcoin bounce. But if we don't, then we can just accumulate at lower levels and earn more money off of smaller percent movements. If you guys are in InvestiShare, I talk about that quite often. The bear market's the best time for traders because you only have to depend on smaller moves in order to get bigger gains. But yeah, if we get the bounce here, then awesome. Then we can basically ignore this micro formation, focus on a new formation, and we'll see resistance at 31,500 in hopes that we break above it this time, find support here, and we can enter a long position to 33,800, potentially even 35,000. That's pretty much it, guys. I do have a competition going on right now where you can, there's a link down below in the description where you can share our social media, and you get points, and you can use these points for a chance to win a ticket entry into our next event, where basically you get the trade side by side with me, and we just wreck it. We just make tons of money within a 3-day event. There's a schedule and all that fun stuff that you can follow and see if you're able to attend. But yeah, guys, if you like, follow, subscribe, and you do all that within the giveaway form, it'll track your points, and you can join me in the next event. Well, that's everything, guys. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me in the Discord, and have yourself an amazing day. Thank you.